30th of March to do the most needful. And I think the whole country is now waiting. Who are those candidates? Mr. President, may I take this very rare opportunity to inform the country that having undergone through various processes and exercises and tests, Sadat Muchiri emerged victorious to represent the Forum for Democracy in this by-election. That we are going to be fully awake to the fact that there has always been manipulation in by-elections especially, and also general elections. And that we will keep our eyes open. We will do everything within our means to ensure that Kalifah Aganaga wins this election. That Mr. Sebunya Sharif wins the election of Angola Central Councillorship. I want to welcome you, my dear brother, Aganaga. I want to welcome you, my dear brother, Sebunya, and thank you for seeing the FDC as a worthwhile partner in the struggle. Beyond the election, the by-election, we are going to go to the country with you. We believe you are going to attract the young people to this party, and would like you to partner with our youth leader, the Honorable Francis Adepo, who said FDC can't attract musicians, who said FDC cannot attract the ghetto, who said to you that we don't have dreadlocked people. In fact, I missed the opportunity to have dreadlocks when I was a young man. How I wish I could spot dreadlocks, as a way to identify myself. I want to wish you success, my dear brothers. To Lumbe e Kawempe in Bulungi. Gende to collect campaign Yamani. Ya mazima na yenkana. That is what we stand for, the truth and justice. God bless my brother Kalifah Aganaga. Bless you, my brother Sharif Sebunya. Bless the FDC. I wish you success in your bid. Would like to assure you of our support in this by-election. God bless you all. Thank you very much, media, for being with us here. Continue being with us, beginning now, henceforth, as we go out to look for the vote in Kawempe. My final appeal to the voters of Kawempe Division North. We bring to you quality candidates. Receive our candidates. We bring to you competent candidates. We would like you to work with them. We bring to you a future of the people of Uganda in the young people we are fielding. Accept a better Uganda through them. Thank you very much. God bless you. One Uganda. One people. Kalifah Aganaga oye! Sharif Sebunya oye! One Uganda! One people! Ra! Chia! Saba Saja Kabaka Awangale.
Thank you so much, our beloved party president. Thank you for that very, very wonderful speech. At this moment, I know next on our on our agenda is official nomination by the EC, Electoral Commission of the Forum for Democratic Change. And here with me is Honorable Kawempe.
Thank you very much, the Director of Ceremonies, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, Secretary General, members of the Forum for Democratic Change. What we are going to witness is the official nomination from the party headquarters. Our form is in two parts. Part 1 talks about the candidate's name, address, and contact details. This is the form. It will have signatures by the candidate, the Chief Electoral Commissioner, and the Secretary General. These same signatures do accompany the forms from the Electoral Commission of Yabakam. Now, part 1, of course, Sawamgole's name, Muchibi Sadat, the voter identification number, the district, Kampala, the telephone number, the electoral position is competing for. This is Member of Parliament, Kawempe North, and the email address. Part 2 contains omukulembeze wokubiri beba nabesanga mu bukulembeze tamanyi na kyakukola nayizo kwata ku masannyalaze nga binayisa bwe yakwata ku Museveni Paulo Mwanga n'oyita ojo ne bagamba vaawo waliwo yesanga nga bamuleese okukulembera abantu. Njagala mulaba abaana bonna bonna bakiriri president guno mumulabye wano atandise akali bakendo Makerere University Business School killed president muswego burulu sebo ibulibale nnyo naffe bwe twali bwetuti nga tukyali bavubuka era ffe tunaba tukajje nga tubivuddemu nga mwe mujja kukulembera bannamu. Webale nnyo sebo Mayeku Jacob Watsama Secretary General Ludewa omuwandiisi yagena omuwandiisi owe chapter eya Mubuzi FDC chapter omuwandiisi owokuntikko mwali eyo ali mu office akakalabya emirimu. FDC is a home of every member. If you are a member of FDC, wherever you are, approach an FDC office. Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, Secretary General.